This week we get a look at how consumers are faring as the weather warms up and the economy slows down. First up, we have retail sales in Canada. April figures are set to be released on Wednesday. They're expected to show a 0.2% rise from March according to StatsCan's early estimate. That comes after a 1.4% decline in March, largely due to a fall in auto sales and parts. The latest reading could show that consumers are cautious but haven't stopped spending amid higher borrowing costs. Travel demand in the warmer months could also show up in spending in the service sectors. In the U.S., we'll get housing data this week that will shed more light on the market in May. Housing starts on Tuesday are expected to show a 1.2% decline from April, when they gained 2.2%. However, building permits are expected to rise 0.3%. On Thursday, U.S. existing home sales figures in May are forecast to show a 0.4% fall from April. That's a bit of a recovery from April's 3.4% decline when the median selling price dropped by the most in 11 years. It's a mixed bag of data showing hot and cold parts of the real estate market, especially after the Fed took a pause on rate hikes last week. Welcome to Advisor Lookahead. This is a weekly series where I get you up to date on investing and financial news. In earnings, we have a delivery giant and grocery operator reporting this week. FedEx will release its Q4 results on Tuesday, followed by Empire Company on Thursday. For FedEx, analysts will be looking for its progress in reducing expenses by $6 billion by fiscal 2027. FedEx cost management plans include using different modes of transport, such as rail, which is cheaper than trucking, to increase operations. FedEx Express will also need to show margin improvement as it faces stiffer demand. For Empire, which owns grocery chains like Sobeys, Safeway, and FreshCo, the focus will be on recovery from Q3, when a cyber attack last year disrupted operations for weeks and cost the company more than $54 million in profits. Its delivery service Voilà could continue to have a drag on earnings. That's Advisor Lookahead for this week. For more news and information, check out globadvisor.ca.